Hey guys, Roman here with another video. There are a lot of benefits to having carpet in your home. For example, it can feel nice on your feet during those cold winter months and keeps your floor nice and warm. It also definitely adds an extra bit of cushion, which feels really nice on your feet. But carpet does require a lot of upkeep. This is especially true if you have pets at home. Sometimes stains or pet fur can be very difficult to get out of carpets. And so it's something to consider if you have pets at home. Stains or pet fur may be difficult to remove from carpets, so they must be cleaned often. However, there are many solutions available that make this a much better experience and much simpler for you. Today, we're going to break down our top 5 carpet cleaners and go over some of the benefits and features of each to see which one might be right for you in your specific situation. As always, I'll leave links to each of these products in the description below so you can check them out. And if I come across any discounts, deals, or coupon codes, I'll include those as well. Number 5. Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Pro Heat 2x Revolution Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner is the best overall carpet cleaner. It's a full-size machine with a deep clean that works on stairs, upholstery, and can even tackle pet hair. It also has a targeted spray nozzle for stains, and it works with just the press of a pedal, so you don't have to stop, bend down, or use a separate product. It also has a 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool that works dry to erase stains on furniture, fabric, and mattresses, and to remove tenacious pet hairs. Also, given the number of functions and power this one offers, you may expect it to be heavy, but it's really lightweight, making it simple to transport about your home. If you're just searching for the best overall carpet cleaner, check out the Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. Number 4. Hoover Smart Wash Automatic Carpet Cleaner. Next up, we have the best value carpet cleaner, which has a ton of features while still being extremely affordable, and that's the Hoover Smart Wash Automated Carpet Cleaner. This is a full-size carpet cleaning machine, but it's still incredibly affordable, and all you have to do is, when you draw back the appliance, it will really remove the moisture to dry the carpet. It actually automatically distributes the perfect combination of solution and water, so it's one less thing you have to worry about. If you're concerned that your carpet is overly wet, pick the dry-only option and give it a couple more passes. This ensures that your carpet is completely dry after use, preventing mildew. This one also comes with a bunch of wonderful attachments for getting to those hard-to-reach areas, and it only weighs 19 pounds, so it'll be easy to transport. Number 3. Bissell Cross Wave Floor and Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Cross Wave Floor and Carpet Cleaner is the best carpet cleaner for area rugs. If you don't have a lot of carpet in your house but a few rugs, this could be a great option for you. Low-pile rugs are easy to clean because the dirt mostly stays on the surface, which means you don't need a stiff brush to get deep down in there. With the Bissell Cross Wave uses a soft microfiber and nylon brush to get deep down in there. The Bissell Cross Wave combines a soft microfiber and nylon brush to gently clean away any excess surface filth. And the best part is that there's no risk of breaking the short pile or fraying loops. It also delivers just enough water for cleaning, but not so much that it wets the carpet and requires drying. It also features easy-to-reach settings, so you can shift from vacuuming to washing without skipping a step. And it's remarkably light, weighing only 11 pounds. Number 2. Bissell Pet Stain Eraser. The Bissell Pet Stain Eraser is the best handheld carpet cleaner, and it's a great option for those of you who have a generally clean household, but there are some spots that you just can't avoid when it comes to pets or spills. The Bissell Pet Stain Eraser is super easy to use and incredibly compact. It's cordless, but the battery only lasts 18 minutes in our test, which should be enough time to get rid of some of those stains. However, you may need to recharge it frequently because its stain-removing power is truly amazing to watch with tests on things like grape juice and coffee to white carpet. The eraser was able to remove everything easily, and even stains that had been there for over a month. So if you have pets at home and want to get rid of things like urine, vomit, or feces, you can definitely use this vacuum. Just remember that this one is definitely more for targeting small stained areas rather than doing an entire rug or carpet. Number 1. Rug Dr. Mighty Pro X3. Following that, we have the finest carpet cleaner to rent, which is the Rug Dr. Mighty Pro X3. This one is for those of you who have a lot of carpets and want to perform a thorough deep clean. The Carpet and Rug Institute, the trade group for the carpet industry, has given the Rug Doctor the highest grade for filth removal, water removal, and tenderness. This one operates on the reverse stroke, so while you're pushing it backward, it will thoroughly clean your carpets and has a big capacity tank, requiring fewer refills of your cleaning solution. It also features a 12-foot hose for extended reach and a fold-down handle for convenience. This is a fantastic alternative for professional carpet cleaning that you can undertake at home with the help of a simple rental. Having clean carpets in your house is crucial for a variety of reasons, including removing pet stains and ensuring that your home smells lovely and fresh. With any of these carpet cleaners on the list, you'll be able to get rid of all the tough, persistent dirt that's been there for months or even years. Hopefully, if you're struggling with stuck-on dirt, this video was useful and you were able to locate a vacuum that meets your unique needs. If so, please give me a thumbs up, as I always appreciate it. As a reminder, I'll post links to each of these goods in the description below so you can do some research and decide which one is best for you. Also, if I come across any discounts, offers, or coupon codes, I'll post them down below for you. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below because I enjoy answering as many as possible. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching today, and I hope to see you in the next video.